Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School and this is to inform you about new Power BI training classes from November 28th. Sessions will be completely practical, completely real time with 6 design tools and 2 hosting solutions, 2 technologies and 1 gateway tool. What are they? Maybe you're hearing about this entire Power BI ecosystem for the first time. What is this 6 design tools? Yes, you are right. Power BI is a very vast component. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. For 18 years of technical expertise, completely on SQL Server, Microsoft Azure, and BI technologies with big data analytics. I assure you, I promise you my 100% effort to enjoy the taste and the beauty of Power BI. At SQL School, I have been involved in these trainings, corporate, individual trainings, both over more than 18 years. And we have been trusted clients for various MNCs across the globe all these years. In our training classes in Power BI, we'll start from the scratch. We'll start from the basics of what is BI, what is Power BI from very fundamental concepts, easy to learn, easy to master, and easy to follow the classes. Everyday assignments and good amount of scenarios, good number of questions, answers, interactive classes during the course. We assure you again and again 100% practical approach. We want your colleagues to join our next batch. I repeat, we want I want your colleagues to join my next batch. That's what I need. So I should be cautious. Yes, you need subject. I need your references. Just to make it clear and straight, what are those 6 design tools? What are those technologies? 2 hosting solutions and the gateway tool. This is the complete ecosystem, our actual 1 month Power BI lengthy course. Putting everything together in an interesting and easier to follow implementation program on my screen now. We work with various data sources in our classes. And what we do, we gather the data, design the recipes, reports, and either take away Zomato Swiggy or dine in a restaurant, traditional restaurant style. I repeat, raw data, material will be taken from the black box. Go to the kitchen areas, a Chinese, a Mexican, Asian, multi-cuisine, Italian, and so on. Yes, different kitchen areas to give us different flavors of reports and either take away or dine in. Take away we call parcel app, platter dashboard, recipe report. As simple as that. Trust me, the things are very straightforward and really cool, but the subject is bit vast. We need to understand that. Things are very simple, straightforward, provided we practice on time. These 6 design tools are going to help us a lot in our day-to-day job activities. We are talking about Power BI course number 5 in our entire courses diagram. And what we do here, I said the subject is bit vast, right? So what we are going to do, yes, in our course, we are going to learn right from installation to basic reports, advanced reports, interactions, various visualizations, Power Query, DAX, Power BI Report Server, Power BI Cloud, and end-to-end project implementations part of our course. And we have resume, as well as interview preparation classes separately with PL 300 certification guidance, part of the course. And you may ask me, Sai, is it really required? Yes, we require it. No compromise. Let's do it carefully, step by step. And if you are looking for detailed Power BI course, and I'm pretty sure you'll find this to be very useful. You'll be happy by end of the course. If you are looking for detailed step by step complete Power BI course, if in case you are looking for something like a cut short kind of just simple drag and drop, then one need not really invest so much effort. Not really required, because Power BI has a lot of flavors. One of them is reporting drag and drop. But here in our classes, we need to learn a lot beyond that. So based on your job profile, if you are looking for just drag and drop of few report visualizations, one need not really look for this entire course, not required. But if Power BI is your career item, Power BI is your main course in your resume, I assure you, I promise you, you are on the right track at the correct place. Yes, basic to advanced report design, 50 examples on DAX, 50 plus examples on Power Query. Those two would be helping us a lot in our day-to-day activities at our job desk. There are two certifications for Power BI, PL 300 Core Power BI Data Analyst job role, and DP 500 Data Engineering Backend Power BI Frontend. This 1 month course is here, this one. If in case you are looking for data engineering, we have a separate 7 weeks journey separately. And of course, I would be the caretaker for that course as well. At our school, I am the only trainer for these technologies, Power BI, SQL, and Azure Data Engineer within Microsoft. So what we need to do? The prerequisites, SQL Server, T-SQL basics required. Any database basics are okay, but Transact SQL is always a preferred item for Power BI. Then you step into Power BI, experience profiles, you may extend your learning to data engineer also. Either live online training or on-demand videos, same curriculum and same subject, same activity, same examples and same task items. My complete support for your learning, my complete support for your step-by-step practice activities. Further details, please WhatsApp me, or you may contact our team. Our team operate 24/7. You can contact our team and do let us know for doubts, clarifications, anything. We are glad to assist you with step-by-step activities, assignments, concept-wise assignments, good number of scenarios, synopsis, and sample reports in real world with a project work. If your interviewer asks you what you did in the project, if your interviewer asks you what you learned or what you actually did in a project, or what are the challenges you faced in the project, what are the do's and don'ts, what's the process we followed, there should be a straightforward eye contact answer. Our course will surely explore all technical details about the technology in a slow, straight, and practical approach. With this, we'll stop for now and meet you soon in our actual classes. Make sure you help us by practicing on time during our actual classes. I repeat, help us by on time practice. Reason, if we practice on time, we can get nice questions, we can get good clarifications, and that will surely help us to promote our course to the next level as is. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and see you soon in our actual live class. Thank you once again. Have a nice time. Thank you.